World Water Day 2013. Imagine this is your drinking water right here. You come down every day. You down have a creek behind your house. Whatever falls into this, whatever is down in the water, is what you're going to get. You're going to get mud. You're going to get sewage. You're going to get animal waste. You're going to get everything. Anything that's on your farm or in your village or in the land around you is going to fall into your drinking water. Can you imagine that? Do what you can for World Water Day. Support the international effort. Safe, clean drinking water for everybody.